Well guys, we're getting there. See if our mounts and parts show up tomorrow. We got a couple more things to clean up and paint tonight before I call our night. Just the coil brackets and such things as that, little details. Some of the stuff still has to finish drying, but careful handling to put it on wet. I know I'm going to have to pull some of this back off when we go to stab the engine in. Yeah, that's pretty much where we're at right now. I'm going to put a couple more little things on and we'll call her a night on that, finish cleaning and painting, and hopefully get an early night's sleep, because tomorrow morning we're back at it and finishing up the prepping of everything, and we're going to pull the engine out of the Chevy and start cleaning up the engine bay to get ready to install this guy. See you tomorrow. So right now we've got Aiden starting to disconnect the carburetor and pull it out. Brooke's taking the battery off, slightly strugglingly, but she'll get it.
I unbent it.
Oh, perfect. And that's where we're at. So stay tuned, we'll get this engine ripped out of here and start swapping parts.
All of those. They just pull out? Yeah. Yeah, twist and turn. Like you twist and pull, I mean. I sat there and I said, like, this is left though. Right. No, this is right.
That's definitely right.
I was just going off what she was doing. Are you awake? No. I just don't know about right and left. No, but I physically sat there and I moved it both ways to figure out which way was right or left. I was like, yeah, that's left. Lefty, lefty. Okay. That's it. No. Be careful.
Alright guys, there you have it. The engine is out, the old 305. So we are going to get ready to put in the new hotness. We're waiting on a hub spacer for tomorrow for the torque converter hub, but I do have to elongate the torque converter or the flex plate holes, and I got to measure out a few things, see if my exhaust is going to clear, all that jazz. But there she is, empty.